Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. It's good to see all of you again. As always, this is not financial advice. I'm not a financial advisor. This is just for entertainment purposes only, so let's be entertained. If you don't mind, go ahead and smash that like button so that we can get some engagement on this video and get some more eyes and exposure to videos like this one. What I'm looking at in Revlon today, as I've been saying since I started covering this, is I see a lot of similarities between Revlon and Redbox. Just as far as the action that's been involved, the situation that both of those companies are in, the high risk that's involved in both of these plays. But I wanted to bring something to everyone's attention just because it is a similarity that I'm seeing between the two companies and between the charts. Looking at Revlon on the 4 hour, we got that cross up and it's pulling back today, obviously, but what I noticed was it's just trying to settle down here on this 13. Now I want to compare that to Redbox. Whenever Redbox initially got that 4 hour cross up, what it did was it had a couple of nice days of move, and then it had some red involved that nobody likes to see, but it came back down and it settled on this 13. It settled on there for about 20 hours, so a full trading day, full after hour, full pre-market, and then it opened up on a terror. So seeing that, seeing the similarities, what do I expect in Revlon? Well, what I want to see is if we're just going to settle on this 13, possibly today with a nice solid candle. Is it gonna just consolidate very nicely there for, say, all of today, maybe pre-market, after hours today, and then see what tomorrow morning brings? What would that look like? Well, I think it could consolidate in between this channel of 628 and 775. Redbox did make a couple of attempts to get a strong push up and out of sitting on that 13, but it never really succeeded over the course of that 20 hours or so. So we might see it spike and pop up back into here, probably get rejected by 891 if it even gets that high. But I'd just like to see a nice day, full day, and after hours pre-market bouncing in between the 628 and 775 level. To me, that would be a very similar setup to what Redbox had before it just caught its breath, went back for another attempt to really make that breakout and run. It'll be a nice chance for the RSI to cool off some, just let a little bit of stability come into the play for a day or so, and then get that action, that volume, that volatility all back into the play and get the hype back into it, and let's see what happens. So I'm holding tight for now and just watching the charts to see what happens. As always, guys, not telling you to buy or sell. You got to do what's best for your accounts and what you see your charts doing, but just wanted to bring out what I'm looking for. And like I said, 628, 775 I think is going to be our bouncing for today, and a couple of spikes up into here. A little bit of day trader action will probably, drive it up. They'll sell off, drive it up, sell off. So nothing wrong with that. Give the RSI time to breathe. And as always, thank you for watching the video, guys. If you would like to subscribe so you don't miss any of the updates, feel free to do so. And stay golden, and may your accounts stay green.